Welcome to RestaurantBI's DataLinq back-office system demonstration. This demonstration is a brief overview of the system, highlighting some of the features and benefits. If you would like more information, please contact us at 1-888-286-8013 or visit us on the web at www.restaurantbi.com. The DataLinq system is a replacement for your existing back-office computer. It was developed to save time and money by automating many of the daily tasks. Some of the key features are a hardened operating system to protect from viruses and corruption, employee time clock, employee scheduling, built-in web filtering and monitoring, intuitive reports, and automatic file backup and recovery. So let's take a look at the system in action. We replace the traditional Windows desktop with what we call the dashboard. The interface is uncluttered and very easy to follow. Let's begin on the Home tab. This is where the majority of the tasks will be performed. Let's start with the Spreadsheet section. Instead of searching the file system for current and past weekly sales reports, we provide an easy way to pull them up with the click of a button. Open Current. We'll open the current week you are in. As you can see, it will display a status indicator letting you know of any activity that may be happening in the background. Once the document opens, it will display in a separate tab. This allows you to keep multiple documents open at once for easy navigation and comparison. Now let's open a previous week's spreadsheet. Back to the Home tab. Click Open Previous, and you will see a calendar control allowing you to select any date. Once you select a date and click OK, that week's sales report will open, again in a separate tab. The current process of sending the weekly sales report to corporate involves navigating to the corporate web page, filling in all the required information, and submitting. Then opening up your email client and attaching the spreadsheet and emailing it to the appropriate recipients. Well, we've simplified that process with the click of a button. Most of the information is already filled out on the corporate web page. Click Submit, and the system automatically emails to the appropriate recipients. Now let's move on to the Shift section. Back to the Home tab. Again, with the click of a button, the registers are pulled and the sales transactions are automatically imported into the sales report. Once the sales information is imported and saved, you can click Import Labor to pull in all the labor data from the employee time clock into the sales report. This is a huge time saver. That information no longer has to be tallied from timesheets or time cards and manually typed in at the end of every shift close. Let's take a look at the Documents section. This allows you to easily create new documents as well as open existing documents. By clicking the Open a Document button, you can easily navigate the Documents folder. I'm going to move right into one of the many time-saving features the system has to offer: daily sales projection numbers. By automatically calculating these numbers, you are able to better plan for the following day. Product amount required numbers are also automatically calculated for you, as seen here. Let's briefly discuss the status overview section. The system monitors key components, alerting you of a problem before it's too late. For example, the services running in the background that receive online orders. If they stop for whatever reason, we alert you before your customers call in frustration. Finally, let's talk about the management section of the dashboard. This is a restricted area requiring a username and password. Once logged in, you can configure the website filtering by adding and removing approved websites. This is also where you will set up your employees in the system to be able to clock in and out. That brings me to the time clock feature. You can now do away with your mechanical time clock and punch cards. The system is very simple to use. An employee will click on their name, enter their 4-digit code, and then clock in as any one of these job functions. To clock out, they'll click on their name again, enter their 4-digit PIN, and then clock out for the day. It's that simple. Well, that's it for this demo. If you would like to schedule for an online demo or have one of our sales representatives give you a call, please contact us at 1-888-286-8013 or email us at info@restaurantbi.com.